Day 5, April 18, 2025. We woke up to the sight of towering mountains wrapped in mist, and the peaceful approach into Juneau, Alaska's picturesque capital. As the carnival spirit glided into port, we couldn't help but feel a growing sense of anticipation. Another day, another adventure, and once again, we had each other.
It's April 18 now, and we are having our breakfast. So we are now at the port of JUNEAU, Alaska.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
We'll be going down.
but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself back to spine.
Our morning began with breakfast together, a now cherished ritual of this journey. Hot coffee, fluffy pancakes, and plans for the day ahead filled the table. These quiet moments with family, before the excitement starts, are the anchors of every great day. With our bellies full and spirits high, we disembarked and stepped into the charming town of Juneau. Surrounded by towering evergreens and distant glaciers, this coastal capital welcomed us with a mix of nature and small-town charm. We wandered through quaint streets, passed by local shops, historic buildings, and colorful murals that brought the town's story to life.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Just not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you
We're taking an Uber from the visitor center to the Mendenhall Glacier
whip
Park.
up my
So,
appetite. Don't leave me here
we're
high
doing
and
this Uber,
dry.
okay?
Oh,
We're right here.
Then came the highlight of the day, a scenic Uber ride into the Alaskan wilderness. As the city faded behind us, the landscapes grew more majestic. Snow-draped peaks, quiet forests, and endless sky led us to the awe-inspiring Mendenhall Glacier.
We are riding the Uber from the visitor office to visitor information office to the Mendenhall Glacier. So Conrad, Anekar, and me riding the Uber. ATCC earlier went to bus excursion, so he's probably there already. Mendenhall Glacier Park. Okay. We will have our own time. Thank you. The travel is be about 20 minutes from the visitors information office to the park. So let's see.
There it was, massive, ancient, and humbling. Mendenhall Glacier, shimmering in shades of icy blue, rising like a frozen wave from the earth. Just a short walk away, we made it to Nugget Waterfall. It's from the moment we stepped off the paved road and onto the trail, we were transported into a world of quiet beauty and pristine wilderness. The Mendenhall Glacier Recreation Area greeted us with a crisp Alaskan breeze, the scent of pine and earth, and a sense of wonder that only deep nature can awaken.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
For the nugget.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high
1
and
mile.
dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high.
We followed the Nugget Falls Trail, a relatively easy but incredibly scenic path that winds its way through lush forest and rocky outcrops, always with the glacier looming quietly in the distance. Along the way, we passed moss-covered boulders, small creeks, and bald eagles soaring overhead, nature's gentle reminders that we were guests in an ancient land.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't treat myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just treat your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna.
Then, through a break in the trees, we caught our first full glimpse of Mendenhall Glacier, a massive river of ancient ice, flowing silently from the mountains, its blue hue glowing like something out of a dream. It's a sight that humbles you, slows your breath, and fills your soul. And then we heard it, the deep, thundering roar of Nugget Falls. The trail opens onto a wide pebbled beach, and there it stood, Nugget Falls, a towering 377-foot cascade of glacial meltwater that crashes powerfully into Mendenhall Lake. It's not just a waterfall, it's a force of nature, wild, white, and full of life.
You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
As we got closer, the mist began to rise around us, cool and refreshing, like a gift from the glacier itself. The sound of the rushing water was both thunderous and soothing, a natural symphony that you could feel in your chest. We stood there together, soaked with mist, smiling, laughing, absolutely awestruck. Pictures were taken, but they could never fully capture what it felt like to be there, together, under the shadow of the glacier, beside that thundering wall of water. This place, where Mendenhall Glacier meets Nugget Falls, was more than just a destination. It was a moment, a shared moment of quiet wonder, natural power, and family togetherness in one of the most breathtaking corners of the world, appearing between trees. And as we made our way back, we didn't just take the path, we carried with us the magic of it all, the stillness, the beauty, the sound of water, and the memory of experiencing it together.
you're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't treat myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. Just treat your body with mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
By midday, we were back on board, tired but smiling. We gathered for lunch, still talking about the glacier and waterfall, grateful for the memories we'd made in just a few hours. After lunch, we took a break, a short nap, a little time to reset, a moment of calm before the next round of laughter. At 3:30 p.m., the curtains rose for our first dose of comedy. Matt Sadler, with his quick wit and sharp timing, had the whole crowd in stitches at Versailles Lounge. Laughter filled the room, effortless, contagious, and so needed. Please continue joining us with our journey in Alaska.